मैम आप ऑलवेज सरप्राइज देती हैं, आप ऑलवेज, अभी आपने इंडिया टुडे कॉन्क्लेव में भी हम सबको सरप्राइज दी कि आप डेट कर रही हैं और शादी भी करने वाली है। अब ये मैम अभी आज की सक्सेस पार्टी तो हमने देख ली, और दूसरी शादी की सक्सेस पार्टी कब?
I think this is definitely not what I said. In fact, I was asked if I'm dating, and I said I'm not dating. But yes, if like being a young woman, do I have somebody in my life? Yes, but having somebody and dating and marriage, it degrees hai.
अच्छा,
Progress ki. So let's see.
When the unfortunate Pulwama attack had happened, it came out with a series of very strongly worded statements. One of which was also about people from the fraternity who chose to go to attend an event in Pakistan despite the URI attacks and everything. However, there were some reports, and you can clarify, that even Manikarnika had released in Pakistan despite the URI attacks, and it continued to screen while the Pulwama attack happened.
Yeah, see what happens is that when a film is distributed, they had the DCP, which is the digital copy, उसको उनसे छीनने के लिए आर्मी भेजनी पड़ेगी जो हमने ऐसे ही बाय एयर भेजी थी, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरी DCP वापस नहीं लाई. So the thing is that when you can stop from future releases to happen, but what is in their possession, if that has to be taken from them, so it's like it will be again the same situation.
So can we expect कि आप आने वाली अपनी मूवी वहाँ पे नहीं देंगे?
Well, definitely yes. If I'm producing a film, that definitely that is the route I will take. I mean, why should we? And it's not that it's a very big territory. It's almost insignificant, isn't it?
The argument was, why did it even release in Pakistan even after the URI attack?
We've discussed enough about it.
Yeah, I think
we can move on to next question. She's answered it. That is
Well, I think that is, precisely the distribution and the trade was going like that. I assume, because obviously I'm not the minister in charge of the trade, how things are happening in the country. But if you ask me, for me, like, it's very important, the sentiment of the country, the sentiment of the Jawan's family, that is very important. Does it make a significant statement? No. These can be called small steps, but is it, if that's all we can do, we must.
अंकिता, ये रोल आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग था और कितना कह सकते हैं वैल्यूएबल था?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कोई भी रोल आप जब करते हो एक चैलेंजिंग होता है, क्योंकि झलकरी बाई करना मेरे लिए एक ऐसा था. जब मैंने ये रोल लिया था, मुझे झलकरी बाई के बारे में हमेशा कहती हूँ, आई डिडंट नो टू मच अबाउट झलकरी बाई, एंड आई जस्ट न्यू वन थिंग, दैट शी इज़ द हीरो ऑफ आवर कंट्री. एंड और मुझे उनको प्ले करना था, क्योंकि मुझे चाहिए था कि लोगों को पता चले कि झलकरी बाई कौन थी. एंड दैट्स कम्प्लीटली माई अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट आई कुड परफॉर्म इट, एंड लोगों को इतना पसंद आया. और आई थिंक कंगना हैज़ डायरेक्टेड फैब. लाइक मेरे जितने सीन्स हुए, आई थिंक कंगना हैज़ शॉट 70% ऑफ द फिल्म. सो आई थिंक आई हैव डन जस्टिस टू माई कैरेक्टर, एंड शी हैज़ डन जस्टिस टू माई कैरेक्टर मोर देन मी.